The Delhi International Trade Expo 2025 officially opened today at the Delhi Convention Center. This significant event aims to promote local products and Timor-Leste's innovations on the international stage. The expo is organized through joint efforts between the government via the Ministry of Commerce and Industry and the Timor-Leste Chamber of Commerce and Industry. The event will run until September 1st, 2025. At the opening, Prime Minister Kairala Shanana Guzman said the expo serves as an opportunity for Timor-Leste's entrepreneurs, small and medium-sized enterprises, to share and learn from one another, as well as to showcase innovations, culture, and technology in order to strengthen collaboration across various sectors.
This expo is an opportunity to showcase our products, bring innovators and investors together, and promote a new, diversified Timorese economy. Let us work together to turn independence into lasting prosperity, and let us build a future where our young people have confidence in the promise of our country.
The Minister of Commerce and Industry, Filipus Nino Pereira, emphasized that DITE 2025 aims to connect local producers with the world, attract international investment to Timor-Leste's potential, and above all, link Timor-Leste's cultural heritage with the future innovations.
We are opening our doors to the world, not only to show who we are, but also to extend a hand and say, be our partners on this journey to promote and consolidate the private sector. To our distinguished 93 international guests who have come from 920 countries, we extend a warm welcome to Timor-Leste. Your presence is a great honor for us and is clear proof of the growing interest that our country is arousing in the global economic scene.
The president of the Timor-Leste Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Jorge Manuel de Araújo Serrano, expressed his appreciation for the collaboration between the government and the private sector in organizing DITE.
A presença de empresários nacionais evidencia o nosso compromisso com o desenvolvimento sustentável, com empregos qualificados e com a diversificação da nossa economia. Manifesta-se assim o nosso empenho em criar condições que favorecem a resiliência empresarial, a inovação e a criação de valor para a comunidade.
The expo features the participation of 157 local businesses alongside 93 international companies from partner countries such as Australia, Brunei Darussalam, Cambodia, China, including Macau, Fiji, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore.